What if by the year 2042, talking vanished? You think, they hear. No more texts, calls, just thoughts zipping back and forth. You're sitting across from a friend. You think of a joke, and they burst out laughing. No words spoken. At work, your boss knows your idea before you're fully through the door. But then, a snag. Your thoughts aren't just yours anymore. A stray thought about a friend, a wish not meant to be shared, and it's out. No taking it back. Everyone's on edge. What used to be personal, private, is now fair game. You start guarding your thoughts, building walls in your mind. And in the silence of the night, you wonder, what if I slip? What if a thought I don't want shared just leaks? Is the cost of connection worth losing the sanctuary of our own minds?